Guys, here's some freshly planted flowers. Yeah, refreshing back. To back to school. Guys, you can see them guys, really pretty. Freshly planted. Yes guys. You can see this one, you know, just planted, just catching up. Right, here are some beautiful flowers. One guys, if you're a flowers lover like me, I love to see when my place is really beautiful with flowers. Showing you some freshly planted flowers. Guys, you can see this one guys, freshly planted, but nice flowers. Guys, see this one? This one is so pretty. It is really different. I just love this one. Yes guys, this one is a beautiful one. It grows beautiful. You see the tree, the stump of the tree, look. Yes, it grow like a big tree. Yes guys, keep blessed. As you can see, this big one, this is a big one. And when it blooms so pretty. This one plant a good time now. Yes, it's not blooming right now. Bloom already there. You can see when it bloom from right there, guys. Yeah man. The next pretty one. You can see it bloom with those purple flowers when it bloom. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. Yes, tell a friend to tell a friend. And all of the flowers lovers. Yeah man. Keep blessed. The boy G Breeze, I'm out.
Basically,